Looking for the best embroidery machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine is the perfect choice for beginners. It comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs, ranging from flowers to seasonal patterns, so you can find something for any project. It also offers 9 font styles, including both script and block options, allowing you to personalize names, quotes, or monograms. The embroidery area is 4 by 4 inches, which is a good size for most projects while keeping the machine compact and beginner-friendly. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to bring their creative ideas to life. The machine features a large 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen, which is easy to use. You can preview, adjust, and even edit your designs directly on the screen, making it very user-friendly. If you have your own custom designs, you can easily import them via the USB port by connecting the machine to your computer. Overall, the Brother PE 535 is an affordable, easy-to-use embroidery machine that's perfect for beginners. For the latest prices on the embroidery machines mentioned in this video, be sure to check the links below. If you're enjoying the video, please hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Smart Stitch S115-01 Commercial Embroidery Machine. This embroidery machine is best for professional use on our list. Whether you're running a business or just love creating amazing designs, this machine is built to handle it all. This machine has 15 needles so you can load up multiple thread colors at once. No constant rethreading that means more time for creating and less time for fiddling, plus the massive 14x 20 inches embroidery area gives you room to work on bigger designs like jackets, banners, or anything you dream up with a blazing fast speed of 1,200 stitches per minute. It's perfect for tackling big projects without sacrificing quality. The 12 inches touchscreen makes everything simple to navigate. You can select, edit, and preview designs right on the screen, so no guesswork involved. Plus, this machine also features Wi-Fi connectivity. You can send designs wirelessly, making your workflow smoother than ever, and it's also capable of embroidering on 3D caps, flat items, t-shirts, and so much more. Basically, if you can imagine it, this machine can probably embroider it. Whether you're customizing apparel, personalizing gifts, or producing professional quality designs, this is a beast of a machine. Number 3. Pulin E06 Embroidery Machine. This is the best mid-range embroidery machine on our list. This machine gives you 7.9 by 11 inches embroidery area, which is roomy enough so you can tackle larger designs without worrying about running out of space. The 7 inches touchscreen is easy to use, letting you preview and edit your designs right on the screen. You can even combine multiple patterns or add text to your creations with its letter embroidery and combination features. The machine comes fully loaded with all the essentials so you can start right away. It includes thread stabilizer, bobbins, and hoops, saving you the hassle of buying extra supplies up front. This machine is computerized, which means it takes care of a lot of the hard work for you. Just load your design, follow the easy instructions, and watch it stitch everything perfectly. Whether you're making personalized t-shirts, decorating a tote bag, or adding flair to your clothes, this machine is up for the challenge. Overall, the Pulin EOC06 embroidery machine is a solid pick if you're into embroidery or just starting out. Number 2. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This machine is best for value on our list. It's both a sewing machine and an embroidery machine. This machine comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs and a 4x4 and hoop area, perfect for small projects like monograms, patches, or decorative accents. It also has a USB port so you can upload your own custom designs if you want something unique. On the sewing side, this machine is loaded with 103 built-in stitches, including decorative ones for adding extra flair to your projects. It even has an automatic needle threader, which is a total lifesaver. No more struggling to thread the tiny needle. It comes with an automatic needle threader, which is very handy. It helps push the thread through the needle perfectly so you don't have to struggle with it. Plus, the machine has a jam-resistant drop and top bobbin, making sure your thread won't get tangled while you're working. It has a maximum sewing speed of 710 stitches per minute, so you can get your work done faster without sacrificing quality. The easy-to-follow controls make it simple to navigate through the settings even if you're new to sewing. Plus, it's priced affordably so you won't have to break the bank to get a machine that does it all. And if you want more control, the variable speed settings let you adjust how fast or slow you sew, giving you the freedom to work at your own pace. The 3.2 and LCD touchscreen display makes it easy to choose and edit your designs or stitches. It also includes 7 different feet which let you tackle different sewing techniques like zippers, buttonholes, and more. Overall, the Brother E600 is an excellent all-in-one machine for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore both sewing and embroidery. Number 1. Brother SEE 2000 Embroidery Machine. This is the best overall embroidery machine on our list. It comes with 138 built-in embroidery designs so you can start personalizing your projects right out of the box. The 5x7 in embroidery area gives you plenty of space to work on larger designs like custom shirts, jackets, or home decor. You can also upload your own custom designs through the USB port. When it comes to sewing, this machine has 240 built-in stitches including decorative stitches and 10 styles of buttonholes. You can easily adjust the stitch settings using the large LCD touchscreen, which makes it simple to choose and edit designs. Plus, the machine's automatic needle threader saves you time and frustration by threading the needle for you. This machine also offers advanced features like variable speed control so you can adjust how fast or slow you sew depending on the project. The jam-resistant drop and top bobbin helps prevent tangling, keeping your sewing smooth and hassle-free. Overall, the SE2000 is a great choice for hobbyists and those who want a reliable feature-packed machine for both sewing and embroidery. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect embroidery machine much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Till next time.